AI video is getting much easier. Before, if you wanted to create video content, you needed real footage. You had to record something, edit it, add movement, and make it look good. But now, AI tools are making it possible to start with just one picture. And one of the latest examples is Adobe Lightroom. Reports say Lightroom now has a new AI feature that can turn still photos into short video clips using Adobe Firefly or Google Veo. So in this video, I'll explain how photo to video AI works, why it matters, and how creators and businesses can actually use it. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more out of your day with AI. Let's start simple. Photo to video AI means you give the AI a still image and it creates movement. For example, a slow camera pushing, a subtle pan, moving clouds, hair moving slightly, steam rising from coffee, a product shot with cinematic motion. The image stays based on your original photo, but AI adds motion to make it feel like a video. This matters because most creators already have photos. You may have product photos, travel photos, food photos, thumbnails, portraits, event photos, or brand images. Instead of letting those photos sit in your camera roll, AI can help turn them into short videos. Use case number one, social media content. If you are a creator, you can take one strong photo and turn it into a short video for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. For example, take a photo of your workspace and add subtle motion. Then add text on screen. 3 AI tools I use every day, for example. Now you have a simple video background without filming new footage. Use case number two, product marketing. If you sell products, photo to video can make your product images more engaging. A still photo of a watch, coffee bag, supplement, clothing item, or skincare product can become a short ad style clip. You could prompt slow camera push in, soft studio lighting, subtle background movement. Then add a headline, price, and call to action. This can help small businesses create more content from photos they already have. Use case number three, real estate and travel. A real estate agent could animate property photos. A travel creator could turn landscape photos into short cinematic clips. A hotel or restaurant could add motion to room photos, food shots, or location images. This is useful because these businesses often have many photos but not enough video content. Use case number four, thumbnails and hooks. Creators can turn a thumbnail image into a moving background for an intro, ad, or short form hook. For example, if you make a video about AI tools, you could animate the thumbnail background and add text. This AI tool turns photos into video. That gives you a more dynamic opening. Now, here's the important part. Not every photo will work well. Use clear photos with a strong subject. Avoid messy images with too many faces, small details, or confusing backgrounds. A clean product shot, portrait, landscape, or workspace image usually works better. Also, keep the motion simple. Do not ask for too much. Instead of saying, make this photo into an epic movie scene with explosions and flying camera movement, start with slow camera pushing, subtle motion, gentle pan, cinematic product shot. Simple prompts usually produce cleaner results. Here's a basic workflow. First, choose one strong photo. Second, generate a short video clip. Third, add text on screen. Fourth, add music or voiceover. Fifth, post it as a short form video ad or visual hook. This is not just about Lightroom. You can use other AI video tools too. The bigger trend is that creators no longer need to create every video from scratch. You can repurpose existing assets. Photos become videos. Videos become clips. Clips become posts. Posts become emails. That is how AI saves time. But check the cost before using these tools heavily. Adobe's Lightroom feature reportedly uses generative credits, and different tools may charge differently depending on length, quality, or model. So do not generate dozens of clips without checking your plan. The big idea is simple. AI video is becoming more accessible. You do not need a full video shoot for every piece of content. Sometimes one good photo is enough to create a short, useful video. And if you want to learn practical AI workflows like this step by step, I also have my AI University community on School, where we go deeper into AI tools for content, business, agents, and productivity. If this helped, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario and leave a comment with what photo you would turn into a video first. See you in the next one.